There's something undeniably satisfying about the good ice. Those soft, chewable, crunchy little nuggets that you usually only find at high-end restaurants or your favorite coffee shop. If you've ever wanted to recreate that experience at home without having to head out, this Nugget Ice Maker is the absolute ultimate kitchen upgrade. It brings the luxury of cafe-style pellet ice directly to your countertop, turning every drink into an experience. This machine is a total workhorse, capable of churning out 40 pounds of ice per day. You'll never have to worry about running out, even when you're hosting guests or just powering through a hot afternoon. The ice is the perfect size for cooling down your drinks rapidly while retaining that signature, addictive crunch that makes it so much fun to chew once your drink is finished. We know that maintenance can be a headache with kitchen appliances, so this ice maker is designed to be as low effort as possible. It features a simple one-click operation. You don't need to be a technician to get started, and the self-cleaning function makes keeping the machine hygienic and odor-free incredibly easy. Just run the cycle periodically to keep your ice tasting crisp and fresh, and you're good to go. The stainless silver finish is not only durable, but also incredibly sleek, fitting right in with any modern kitchen, bar, or home office aesthetic. It comes with a handy scoop and basket, so you're ready to start serving the moment arrives. It's snappy, quiet, and delivers that high-end nugget ice consistently without demanding much counter space. If you're ready to stop settling for standard, rock-hard cubes and start enjoying the best ice for your coffee, sodas, and cocktails, click the link below for the best price.